Hello, welcome back. So we're back to laundry. So I've got 3 loads of laundry to do today. We did 1 load and got that started before I walked the dog. And now we're doing our 2nd load. So we're going to get this load started. I'm at the end of my packet of cleaner here. Now, I put my detergent directly in, my powder directly in, instead of up here. In here, I'm trying to keep this clean as possible. So I put it directly in the clothes. So I'm using the same cleaner as before. So this is a color load. So I've got my colors in. And then I have this little April Fresh, it's kind of like a nice smell that you can add to your clothes. I wouldn't really call this a, it's not like a fabric softener. It's more of a good smell than a fabric softener. And it comes out as these little like plastic smell things, anyway, they go in there and they make the clothes smell better. There's this online app called Vinted in Germany, V-I-N-T-E-D, Vinted, and you can put household items, extra clothes the kids have grown out of. You can put a whole lot of different things on Vinted, and it's kind of like an open swap meet, if you will, or a garage sale. So you put it up there, you put on a price, and then people will say yes or no, I want it or don't, and then you can just kind of, you sell something and then somebody else buys something, and so it's a really nice way to for the kids. I've found some really great clothes online for the kids that other kids have grown out of. And then toys, you can put your old toys that your kids have grown out of, and then you can buy new toys with it. So just a really good app. If you have it, or if you're in Europe, I would recommend it. Especially if you're in Germany, Vinted. It's a really great app. Lots of really cool stuff. I mean, so many things that you can find, and you can get them at like half, even 1/3 the price. And then you just run to the store and ship it off. And then they'll ship whatever you buy to you, so it works really great. So let's see here. It's not starting. Let's try this again. So since it's not starting, I'm going to go ahead and put in one of these color savers. So I have these little guys. And if you've got a color load and you don't want something that's a light color to get dark, you can put these color catchers in. Okay, so we'll put that in. And let's try this again. So let's turn it on. Get the dryer going. Get the washer started. And then we've got some clothes here we're going to hang up to dry. So it's a nice jersey outfit for my older son. So he's got some fun clothes that he can wear for soccer. And then he's got this that he can, it'll protect him from the sun during the summertime. So very cool stuff.